Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique, and today I'm super excited for this video. Super excited because baby, this one of the few times that like I come on camera and I have a no plan, girl, a no plan. And so with that, it's being the most authentic that I can be with the finding out what my budget's gonna be. But if this is your first time here on the YouTube channel, taking this off, then welcome. Hello, how you doing? My name is Anique. Nice to meet you. On here I do my budgeting journey, trying to get me out of debt, baby. Pay off this car, pay off this credit card, and pay off this house. I'm just scratching that. We gonna work on the house, but the car and the credit card, we definitely on a move to do that. So if you do enjoy this type of content, or if this is something that you're trying to do and find an accountability partner, baby, please check in. I'm here. So if you do enjoy that, consider hitting that subscribe button. You know, go ahead. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and then leave your 2 cents down below in the comment box. Let me know how you feeling, and let's add that onto my 98 cents, and we can make 100, because we can do a whole lot with $1. Okay, let's do a whole lot with $1. Without further ado, let's get into the video because I'm excited. So let's get into it, okay? Let's go. Break up. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dog and no morgue. It's smog. And mama cooked a breakfast with no hog. I got my grub on, but then a pig out. Come on now. This is my paycheck budget number 3, which is on 15 October 2023. And so your girl's budget brought over. Okay, so let's start off with income source. So my carryover for my budget is gonna be $456.71. Welcome to Anique Budgets, here where we budget. My income is gonna be $540, which is my normal paycheck for every 2 weeks. And so calculadora, come on now, girl. Oh, she was already open. U is 456.71 plus 540. So that leaves me with 996.71. So $996.71 to work with. She is a little bright. Oh, this is the first time I'm using this blue, so it's not as dark as I would like, but you know, we'll work with what we got. We're already here. So Merrick is due on the 16th, right, yeah, the 16th. ADT security is due on the 18th. Electricity, I don't know when my electricity bill is due. I just know that it gets paid, child. Okay, faithfully on the 25th, and then my water's due on the 31st. Okay, so 25th is when my electricity is due, and then 31st is my water. It's a beautiful thing when you ain't gotta worry about your bills. Just know they're getting paid. It's a beautiful thing. Merrick, the budget is $100. ADT security, girl, please speak. ADT security budget is $53.91. Electricity budget is $180, and then the water made me sweat, made me water, made me lose my breath, made me water. Y'all been hear that song? 100 plus 53.91 plus 180 plus 120. 453. Whoo, ride on the money. I don't know why I went into a little breakdown like that, but it's okay. 453.91. So $453.91 is what my bills is gonna be for this portion of the paycheck. That's all that's left over. And we have $456.71 that is in the carryover, child. So that means we only had $456.71. We only had $2.80 overage, child. Ooh, get it together, Eddie. Look at that, $2.80. That's all I have to work with if anything should happen. But it's cool. All the bills paid. So moving down now to my paycheck budget, which moving down to my Paycheck budget. Moving down to my cash envelopes. So my groceries is $150. My gas still has a lot of money in it. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, it still do. So I want to put like $25. Let's put $25. I think 25 is good. My allowance is still gonna be $10 because, girl, okay, please. I'm eating out of groceries this child. Let's not talk about it. But $10 for allowance. Toiletries is getting $5. Household, now household, sis is coming into her bin because she is gonna be used really soon. Okay, really soon. So I'm gonna give her 35, 40. What do I want to give her? Please. What do we give her? Household. Ooh, child. Let's do 40. Okay. I was gonna go 35, but I just upped her up $5. So let's do 40. Hair care. I think she's owed $75. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold up. Let me verify how much hair care is owed, because I break down how much I put in hair care between both of my first paycheck and my 15 paychecks. So hair care in this moment has 20, 40, 60, 70. Okay, she has $75. So she's supposed to actually get more than this. I played hair care this month, but it's okay. It's okay, because she's still good. She's still good. She's still good. So yeah. But is she though? But she's still good. Okay, so it's gonna be 75 for her. Child, shaking my head because that's not what she's supposed to be. But you know, we'll do it on the next check. We'll figure it out next check. So groceries $150. Gas $25, allowance $10, toiletries $5, household is $40, and then hair care is $75. $305. Sheesh. Make me sad. $305, and then 540 minus 305 leaves me with $235 to work with. I still have to pay Canva Pro, child, so I'm gonna do that over there. I'm gonna pay Canva Pro on this side, and Canva Pro is owed, hold on, let me look real quick. Oh, she owed $60, child. Yeah, so Canva Pro is owed $60. So that's a total of 60, because that's the only thing in other. So minus 60 leaves me with 175 to work with between my saving challenge, my additional debt, and my sinking funds. What I think is gonna happen is that $10 is gonna go into saving challenge, and the reason why it's $10 is because I need $10 to close out one of my saving challenges. If you know which one that is, put it down in the comment box below. So since my remaining balance is 175, subtract that 10, now I have 165 to work with between my additional debt and my sinking funds. And I ain't got 99 problems now, but I'm gonna do 25. So for my additional debt, I'm gonna do ooh, hold on, y'all, I forgot something. Okay, so I didn't forget, like, it's in this, that's where it's supposed to, it was supposed to go in here. So, going away. So, there's a going away, or is a going away at the time of this recording in my squadron, and I donated $20 to that. And so, it was $80 that's supposed to be in the other portion. So we are going to subtract another $20 just to make sure that we keep it up and up to date, and then we are going to subtract $25 for additional debt from Navy Fed. So that is $25 down here. So I have $120 to put between my cash envelopes, which I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 of them. Emergency fund is getting it's gonna get 30. 1 month ahead can get 30 as well. That's 60, so that means I got $6 left. Car maintenance can get 60. Car maintenance can get 40. Travel is gonna get 5. Christmas is gonna get 5. And then what is that? That's 40, 70, 100, 105, 110. So that means I got $10 left. So I'm gonna do 5 for clothing, 2 for my birthday, and then 3 for family birthday. So this should equal to 120. So 40 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 30 plus 30. I'm off by $5. Hold on. Oh, I messed up. 40 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 30 plus 30. Okay, because I was like, the mathing in the head was good. Like, what happened? Okay, 120. All right, we good. So let's do our finalized breakdown down here of exactly what happened, y'all. So my income total budgeted was $996.71. My expenses was $453.91. My cash envelopes were $305. My saving challenge is $10 because that's all I got to give on me, you know. That's all the player got on her. My sinking funds is $120. My additional debt was $25. And then my other, because, you know, they had to butt themselves in, my other is $80. So I should have that difference I showed you guys earlier between what's in my carryover bills account, which is the $456.71, subtracting the total from expenses, which this is $453.91, which that was $2.08. That's the only thing I should have in here. If I have anything more than that or out of balance on that, I'm wrong, child. I'm wrong. So this is 996.71. Ooh, 71, please, please, please. At least type it in correct, you know? 996.71 minus 453.91 minus 305 minus 10 minus 120 minus 25 minus 80. Wait, did I miss something? Hold up, girl, because what you did? 453.91, 305, 10, 120, 25, and 80. Girl, what you do? 996.71 minus 453.91. Delete 91 minus 305 minus 10 minus 120 minus 25 minus 80. Child, I'll be doing these calculations wrong. $2.80. Sheesh. $2.80. So I have $2.80, and that should be what, well, that's what's supposed to be in my carryover. It's supposed to be $2.80 into my carryover into my next budget. So that is it, y'all. That is the breakdown, child. We took a while to get there, but we broke it down, right? We broke it down. So that is the breakdown of everything. Let me push back my cash envelope binder. But that is the full breakdown of my paycheck number 3. We are still budgeting, doing all the things that we need to do. Fun fact, I am updating this budgeting book here. I made it, I want to say last year or the year before, and I am updating it, so this is coming out soon because yeah. So I'm really excited for that. I'm doing the QCs right now, so that's exciting. And guys, I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas. I'm gonna do 25 days of Christmas. I already planned it out. I know what videos I'm gonna be doing. Like, I'm super excited. I'm pumped. I'm gonna schedule. So super excited for that. I hope you guys are excited too, hearing this announcement here. This was not planned. This is just happening as is. But yeah, I just spoke a mile a minute. slow it down. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and leave your 2 cents down below in the comment box, because if you add your 2 cents to my 98 cents, we can make $1 and we can do a whole lot with $1. Okay, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Anique, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm off that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.